Hi everybody, and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. Okay, so pattern number 2 is the Granny Square Pattern Atlanta Blossom by Crochet A Lot Designs. This is available on Etsy.com, and it says the Atlanta Blossom Granny Square is a burst of color with flowers and leaves that have texture and dimension. They look like they could pop off the square. That sounds pretty exciting. Let's take a look. Okay, so like I said, this is by Crochet A Lot Designs, and it looks like we do have a couple of pictures that we can look at. Now, of course, this is a digital download because it is on Etsy. And yeah, it looks like just a really pretty square. I have to say, I like this blue color so much. I think this is my favorite of the 3 that they have pictured here. Let's see if it says anything else about it as far as how difficult it is. There are fun specialty stitches included in this pattern. All of them are well described in the pattern. It is a 6-inch square when finished. The instructions and pictures are of 5 colors, but of course you can use more or less as it pleases you. The instructions are written in U.S. crochet terms, and the print is generously sized. So I like to look at the reviews. Let's see, this person says, I've been crocheting since the 70s, so I'm familiar with how to read and understand patterns. Unfortunately, this one got to me. There's just something I'm not connecting with, so that's not so great. This one says, I love this as a beginner. It is easy to make and follow the pattern. Love the results. So it looks like we definitely have some different opinions here. This last one, Christy, says, I love the look of this pattern. Someone very special will be getting an Afghan made with this motif. So I think overall people seem to be pretty happy with this design. Yeah, let me know what you think of it. Would you be willing to pay $3.99 for the pattern? It is pretty, and designers do work hard, so I don't mind paying them. All right, everybody, I hope you're enjoying this series so far. It is only day 2, so we do have, 29 more days of granny groovy patterns to look at. So hope to see you tomorrow. Until then, have a great day. Bye-bye.